Okay, question number 3. On a particular day, the temperature is recorded as shown on the diagram below. What is the value of A? Now this is 0. That's 5 and 10. So you go, each little line represents 1. So if you go down, 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4.0 degrees. Okay? Okay, if the temperature increases by 7.6 degrees, what is the new temperature? So we start off with minus 4 and then we increase it by 7.6. So 7.6, okay, and we have to minus the 4 from it. That will give us a nice and easy answer of 3.6. Excellent, lovely. Okay, part C. What is the mean minimum temperature across the week? Here's the temperatures. We have to work at the mean. Right, somebody define for me the word mean. Let's have somebody different design. Muniba. Excellent, well done. So we can add up all the numbers and divide it by how many are. So here's the numbers. So this number, add that 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 one, and then we're going to divide it by how many days there were in that particular week. So what's the, we're going to divide it by? How many numbers we have?
1, 2, 3, 7.
7. So that will give you the mean. We check. Okay, so we've got to work out for that part is the mean minimum temperature. So the mean is equal to this. Okay, right, let's add all this up. Okay, right. 8 add nothing is 8. 8 take away 6 is 2. 2 take away 5 is minus 3. Minus 3 minus another 3 is minus 6. Add minus 1 gives you minus 7. And then we divide it by 7. And the answer will give us an answer of minus 1. Okay, that's the answer we just done now is the answer C. So here's A, B, this is answer C. Now question D, I'm going to read it to you. What is the range of temperatures for the week? Right, I want to put a hand up please for question D. Can somebody define for me range? Okay, Harun, what's range?
So basically the difference between the highest and the lowest.
So the largest value minus the
Lowest value.
smallest value. Okay, right, so the range, what is the largest value?
8.
8. And then we have to minus the smallest value. What is the smallest value?
Minus 5. Minus 6.
Minus 6.
No.
Now, so we got 8 minus 6. Now, what happens when you have two minuses next to each other?
It becomes a large.
It becomes a plus. That's the rule for when you do two minuses. So 8 add 6, then will give us an answer of 14 degrees centigrade is the difference, is the range, sorry. Okay, that's question 4, part D done. So 3D done, sorry. Question E, what is the difference between the median and the modal temperatures for the week? So, let's have a look. So we're looking at question E. We're talking about median. Do we just work at the median before? At any point? No? Do you work at the mode anytime? No. Okay, let's work at these values. What is the mode first of all? So the mode is the value which is the most common value, which is
0.
so we can write down here quite comfortably, easily. So the modal value is equal to 0. Now we have to work out the median value. Okay, now not how to this on somebody else. Okay, right. Okay, right. So we got to work at the median. To work at the median, what do we have to do first of all? Let's have Iman.
Put them in order of size.
And then work at the middle value. Excellent. So median is the middle value after you put them in order of size. So let's order these numbers here. Which numbers are we going to order? Let's highlight them. So these numbers here, we have to put them in order of size. So let's put them in order of size now. Okay, no, not green. Let's go for blue. Okay, so what's our first number? The first number is 0 and then 0. So that one's done. And then the next one number is minus 1. Okay, small. Hang on 1 second, folks. Okay, just quick correction, folks. We don't start with 0. We gotta start with the smallest number. So the smallest number, as spotted by Iman, is not 0. It's gonna be the minus numbers. So we're gonna start off with minus 6, and then minus
5.
and then
Minus 3.
and then
0.
minus 1, and then
0.
and then 0, and then
0.
again, and then
8.
excellent. So now we can find the middle value. So we got 7 values. The middle value should be the 4th value. So the middle value should give us an answer of
Minus 1. So right?
minus 1. Okay, and that is the answer for question E. Question 3E. So we said hang on a second. I don't think we've finished yet. Hang on 1 second. So the median is equal to minus 1. Is that right?
Yeah.
And the question said for 3E, what is the difference? So the difference is the largest value minus the smallest value. What's the largest value?
1.
0.
0.
Okay. And we have to minus the smallest value. Okay. So we are on question 3E. So 0 minus the minus 1. And as we said earlier, when you have two minuses together, they become a plus. So the difference between 0 and minus 1 is going to be 0 take away minus 1, which gives us an answer of 1. So question 3E is 1. That's lovely. End of that question.